Welcome back everyone, Legend here. I hope you enjoyed the last unboxing. So today we're continuing the unboxing of the booster box we have. Also the sleeve of today are from our Charizard that came from the Sputnik store where I go buy my cards. So we're gonna be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boosters for that video, and there are gonna be for the next video. So let's go and open those beautiful boosters and see what we got today, because we never know what are we gonna get in those beautiful boosters. And the kitty is looking at me right now. No, it's not meat for you. Promo code for the online games 1. We're starting with the Stellar Energy, Onix, Nickit, Natalie, Yamask, Technical Machine Devolutions, Exploud, Mela, Holo Reverse Technical Machine Turbo Energize, Holo Vanillite, and Holo Groudon. Beautiful Groudon right there. Come here, beautiful sleeve. There you go. Oops. There you go. And there you go. Next boosters. Promo code for the online games 1. Oh. Sorry about that. Whew. We're starting with Water Energy, Grassol, Fleetol, Onix, Nickit, Defiance Vest, Durant, Ward Trio, Holo Reverse Swablu, Holo Reverse Minam, and Holo Kingdra. Let's go. The King of the Sea. Nah, it's not. That's Skyarger. There you go. Next one. Promo code for the online games 1. We're starting with Lightning Energy, Nimble, Spinda, Think-a-Think, Tandemo, Slitherwing Enchant, Gorgas, Tatsugiri, Holo Reverse Yavatar, Holo Reverse Think-a-Think, and Full Art of Parasol Lady. Let's go. Beautiful full art right there of Parasol Lady. Let's go. Oh, so that's where you're gonna put my sleeve for now. There you go. There you go. Oh, gonna be better if I put them like that so everyone can see the beautiful Charizard. Next boosters. Promo code for the online games 1. We're starting with Dark Energy, Natalie, Nimble, Yamask, Think-a-Think, Technical Machine Turbo Energize, Techno Radar, Steenie, Holo Reverse Gimmighoul, Holo Reverse Wochan, and Holo Paragon Z. Let's go. Z. Sorry about that. So there you go. There you go. And there you go. Next one. Promo code for the online games. 1. We're starting with Fire Energy, Double Ball, Wishmer, Doublade, Surskit, Vanilluxe, Defiance Vest, Veluza, Holo Reverse Purloin, Holo Reverse Feebas, and Golisopod EX. Let's go. There you go. I got grab 2. There you go. And there you go for Golisopod EX. Next one. Promo code for the online games. 1. Oh, something's finished right over there. We're starting with Grass Energy, Spinda, Tandemo, Doorbell, Wishmer, Counter Catchers, Absol, Masquerain, Holo Reverse Wimpod, Holo Reverse Crosshole, and Holo Mirotic. Beautiful Mirotic. They were hard to get in the first, third generation you appear. There you go. Next boosters. Promo code for the online games. 1. We're starting with the Psychic Energy, Magby, Flamigo, Paragon, Vanillite, Technical Machine Turbo Energize, Warg Trio, Technical Machine Blindside, Holo Reverse Paragon, Holo Reverse Blitzle, and Holo Wo-Chen. Let's go. There you go. There you go. Next one. Promo code for the online games. 1. We're starting with Fighting Energy, Surskit, Doublade, Magby, Flamigo, Ancient Booster Energy Capsule, Earthworm, Professor Turo Scenario, Holo Reverse Norant, Holo Reverse Parasol Ladies, and Sarina EX. Let's go. There you go. There you go. And there you go. Now it's the last boosters for this episode of unboxing with Drink Day. Promo code for the online games. 1. We're starting with Stellar Energy, Toad School, Oricorio, Swablu, Jar Cadet, Iron Bundle, Techno Radar, Counter Catchers, Holo Reverse Professor Sada Vitality, Holo Reverse Luckish, and Holo Saint Pao. Let's go. That is not the last of my sleeve. I still have more because I just opened a new booster. Not a new booster, but a new set of sleeve. There you go. There you go. So the hit of the day we have Holo St. Paul, Holo Reverse Lokish, Charina EX, Wo Chen, Holo Milotic, Galisapod EX, Holo Pargan Z, Holo Reverse Wo Chen, Full Art of Parasol Lady, Holo Reverse Yevatol, Holo Kingdra, and Holo Groudon. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you all next time, and let's legend continue.